Imagine stepping off the plane looking just as fabulous as when you boarded. Want to know the secret behind this magic? Keep watching because in this video, I'll be sharing the ultimate travel style secrets that even celebrities rely on to stay stunning after long hours of travel. These game-changing tips are both practical and stylish. You won't want to miss them. Stay tuned until the end because I have a special bonus tip that will elevate your travel experience to a whole new level. Let's take off with tip number 10, the power of layers. Layers are your best friend when traveling. Not only do they keep you warm on chilly flights, but they also allow for easy adjustments as you move through different climates. Think about a lightweight cardigan or a stylish scarf. Just look at how Jennifer Aniston rocks her airport style with layers. One of the biggest problems while traveling is dealing with fluctuating temperatures. Airplanes are notoriously cold because they need to maintain low humidity levels and circulate fresh air to ensure passenger comfort and safety. Additionally, airports are often kept cool to accommodate the large number of people and constant movement. A study by the Aerotime Hub found that most airplanes keep the cabin temperature between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius, or roughly between 71 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Seems warm enough, right? Well, it may seem cooler than usual to some passengers because it turns out that the low humidity levels in the cabin can make the air feel cooler than it actually is. Additionally, sitting still for long periods can cause your body temperature to drop slightly, making you feel colder. This can be a stark contrast if you're traveling to or from a hot climate. This is why layering is so important. So choose items that are easy to put on and take off, like a cardigan over a tank top or a scarf that can double as a blanket. This way, you can adapt to the airplane's air conditioning or the warmer climate when you land. For instance, a lightweight cardigan can be effortlessly slipped on when you feel a chill and taken off when you warm up. A stylish scarf not only adds to your look, but can be used as a wrap for your shoulders, a makeshift blanket, or even a pillow on long-haul flights. The versatility of these items makes them essential for any travel wardrobe. I remember a flight where my scarf doubled as a cozy blanket, saving me from the cold cabin air. Up next, tip number 9, comfortable yet stylish footwear. No one wants to hobble through the airport in uncomfortable shoes. High heels might look great, but they are a nightmare for long walks through the airport. Think of those stiletto pumps or pointy-toe heels. They might elevate your outfit, but will leave you with aching feet and a slow pace. On the flip side, we have the ultra-comfortable yet not-so-stylish options. We all know Crocs. They're recently hyped and praised for their comfort. But let's be honest, they're not everyone's idea of stylish. But don't worry, there are stylish options that don't compromise on comfort. Look for shoes with good arch support and cushioning, like trendy slip-on sneakers or chic ballet flats. A pair of cushioned loafers can do wonders. Not only do they look good, but they also keep your feet happy even after hours of walking. Look at Meghan Markle. She rocks those stylish flats and still looks amazing. Go for shoes that you can walk miles in, but also look fabulous. Consider shoes that are easy to slip on and off for security checks. Slip-on sneakers or ballet flats are not only convenient, but also versatile enough to match with various outfits. I learned the hard way after wearing heels on a trip to Paris. Never again. And now, let's move on to tip number 8, the perfect travel bag. Your travel bag is a part of your outfit, so why not make it functional and stylish? Choose one that has multiple compartments to keep everything organized. And if you can, go for a bag that complements your outfit. Think of how Victoria Beckham always carries the most stylish bags that go perfectly with her travel attire. And don't forget about Amal Clooney, always elegant, even at the airport. A great bag can make even the most basic outfit look high-end. Consider a tote with a secure zipper or a backpack with padded straps. Make sure it has enough space for all your essentials like a water bottle, snacks, and a small makeup bag. Pockets and compartments help keep things organized and easy to find. Now, tip number 7. Opt for wrinkle-free fabrics to stay looking fresh and polished. Materials like jersey, knits, and certain synthetics such as polyester and nylon are great choices. Additionally, rayon and spandex blends are fantastic for travel because they offer a bit of stretch, making them comfortable for long periods of wear. Even on a long flight, you can step off the plane looking fabulous, just like Blake Lively on her travels. She often opts for stylish yet practical outfits that remain polished throughout her journeys. Have you ever packed a lovely dress for a special event, only to find it full of wrinkles when you arrive at your destination? And to make matters worse, your hotel room doesn't have an iron or steamer? It's a nightmare scenario. Choosing wrinkle-free fabrics can save you from such hassles. Polyester, for example, is commonly found in many travel-friendly garments due to its wrinkle resistance and ease of care. Nylon is another great option, especially for outerwear, as it's lightweight and quick-drying. Rayon blends add a touch of softness and drape nicely, while spandex ensures your clothes move with you, providing added comfort. Choose fabrics that resist wrinkling and keep their shape, such as knits and stretchy materials. It will also be helpful to pack a travel-size wrinkle release spray to touch up your clothes on the go. Trust me, nothing feels better than avoiding the ironing board while on vacation. Heading into tip number 6. Versatile accessories. Accessories can elevate any travel outfit. A statement necklace, chic sunglasses, or a stylish hat can transform a simple look into something special. Look at how Amal Clooney uses accessories to enhance her travel style effortlessly. Bring versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched with multiple outfits. A scarf can be used as a wrap, a blanket, or even a head covering. Sunglasses not only protect your eyes, but also add a touch of glamour to any look. Let's talk about tip number 5. Go neutral. Pack neutral-colored clothing that can be mixed and matched easily. This makes it simpler to create different outfits without overpacking. Think about how Michelle Obama often uses neutral tones to create sophisticated, travel-friendly outfits. Neutrals like black, white, beige, and navy can be combined in various ways to create multiple looks. But did you know that neutral colors are also a safe option when traveling to foreign lands? Some cultures may find certain colors offensive due to their beliefs or customs. For example, in Brazil, purple is often reserved for funerals. According to TripAdvisor, in Brazilian culture, it is considered unlucky to wear purple when not attending a funeral or related service. By opting for neutral colors, you can avoid inadvertently offending anyone and ensure that your attire is appropriate for a variety of cultural contexts. Additionally, neutrals are incredibly versatile and can be easily dressed up or down with accessories. Next up, tip number 4. Maxi dresses and skirts are perfect for travel. They are comfortable and stylish and can be dressed up or down. They also offer great coverage and flexibility. Check out how Angelina Jolie often opts for maxi dresses during her travels. Maxi dresses are great for long flights and can be paired with a jacket or cardigan. They are also versatile for different destinations, whether you're exploring a city or lounging on the beach. I love to wear a maxi dress to a beach party and then to dinner. No outfit change needed. Approaching tip number 3, statement outerwear. A stylish coat or jacket can pull together your entire look. Choose something that's both practical and fashionable. A trench coat or a tailored blazer can work wonders. Just like how Kate Middleton always looks elegant with her choice of outerwear. Outerwear can make a big impact on your overall look. Choose pieces that are versatile and can be worn with different outfits. A well-fitted blazer or a classic trench coat adds instant sophistication. Here comes tip number 2, functional fashion. Choose outfits that are both functional and stylish. Pockets are a girl's best friend when traveling. Look for clothes that offer both comfort and practicality without compromising on style. Remember how Reese Witherspoon often wears functional yet chic outfits on her travels? Opt for clothing with hidden pockets or built-in storage. Functional pieces like utility jackets or cargo pants can be both stylish and practical. Don't forget to check for comfort and ease of movement. Here's tip number 1: personal care essentials. Always carry a small bag with your personal care essentials like moisturizer, lip balm, and a refreshing face mist. These will help you stay fresh and radiant throughout your journey. Just like how Jennifer Lopez always manages to look glowing and fabulous. Keep a small bag with travel-sized skincare products, a toothbrush, and other essentials. Having these items on hand can help you feel refreshed and ready to tackle your next adventure. And as promised, here's a bonus tip for you. Stay fresh with a portable steamer. A portable steamer can quickly remove wrinkles from your clothes and freshen them up, making you look sharp and polished no matter how long your journey is. It's a favorite tool among celebrities who always look impeccably dressed. Keep a compact steamer in your travel bag. It's easy to use and can save you from looking crumpled after a long flight. Just a few minutes with a steamer and your outfit will look like it just came out of your closet. I once used a portable steamer in my hotel room. Instant wardrobe refresh. With these tips, you'll be ready to travel in style and comfort, just like our favorite celebrities. But now, I want to hear from you. Which of these travel style tips was your favorite? Or have you ever had a travel fashion disaster? Tell us your story in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video on travel style tips for women, you'll surely love this next one.